So to open our neck muscle and to stretch our neck muscles are very important, and they are more prone to injury also. That's why we have to make our neck muscles strong. Seven times out, slide to your left side. Now see if your body is not going forward or not going backward. It should be straight, sliding to your left side. Both of your hips should be on the mat. Your hips should not be lifting. If your hips are lifting, then come a little bit up. And slowly go down. But your hips should be on the mat. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, arm down. Breathing in, left arm up. And breathing out, slide to your right side. Both of your hips should be on the mat. Look up. Now tuck in your toes, lift your hips up. Parvatasana. Legs together. You can bend your knees to stretch more. Try alternative touching of your heels on the mat. Ashwasandhalanasana, left leg forward. Look up. Stretch your right leg at the back. Open your hips. Right leg forward. Hastapadasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Backward bend. Bring your hips forward. And Pranamasana. Once again.
What is that? Narishodhana Pranayama. We'll quickly revise it. Okay. Narishodhana Pranayama. Left hand in Siddha Mudra. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Yeah. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra. We start with our left nostril. So we inhale, exhale, and then we press the right nostril and start with the left nostril first. Okay. Inhaling from the left and exhaling from the right. Inhaling from the right and exhaling from the left. Yeah. For a little advanced, we'll hold in between. Inhaling from the left, hold, exhaling from the right. Inhaling from right, hold, and exhaling from the left. And for more advanced, we'll hold twice. First, inhale, hold, exhale, hold a bit. So, inhaling from the left at 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very slow. Hold for 4 counts. 4. Exhale for 6 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And hold 2. Okay. So 4 counts. Yeah. Okay. Let's look into that. We stand in Tadasana. I'll stand a little behind because I don't have space in front. But usually you are supposed to stand right in front of the mat. Okay. Now from Tadasana, first asana of Surya Namaskar is Pranam Asana. This is Pranam, Anjali Mudra. Here in India we say it Pranam, right? Holding our hands together. So Pranam Asana. Now from here we extend our hands up into Hasta Uttanasana. Hasta means hand. Uttana means extended. Yeah. So when you see your students, when you're teaching your students in Pranamasana, you'll notice that their hips should be straight, their shoulders should be relaxed. There shouldn't be any stiffness in the back. The stiffness in the back will come when somebody will open the chest too much. Yeah, it should be in the natural curvature. Pranamasana, from Pranamasana, if somebody gets any doubt in between, just say at that moment, okay? From here, we go into Hasta Uttanasana. Now, in Hasta Uttanasana, you can keep your hands together, palms together, if you are a very advanced practitioner, or you can keep it apart. Yeah. So, we keep it a little bit apart. So, the hand should be right next to your ear. Yeah. When you're taking your hand up, your head shouldn't fall back like this. Shouldn't fall behind the arms. It should be in line with your arms. And from here, we'll push our pelvic to the front, like this. We'll push our pelvic front, and then we'll take our back. So you don't bend your knees here. Your knees are straight, but not stiff, and you push your pelvic region to the front. Inhale, raise your arms up, and slowly bend back. And wherever you feel comfortable, you can stay there. If bending back is not comfortable, this can be your variation, just standing right here. Okay. Now we look up during this, right? We look up, but as a variation, you can even look in the front instead of looking up. Because the whole circle of the asana, you're continuously looking up, looking down, looking up, looking down. So sometimes for few people, it can be dizzy for the beginners. They might feel dizzy because their body is not used to it. Yeah. So the blood circulation is going up and down, up and down, up and down continuously. So in case if you feel while doing Surya Namaskar, if you feel nausea or if you feel like dizzy or something, don't look up and down too much. Yeah. Inhaling, when you raise your arms up, look to the front instead of looking up.